Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share the Google Drive link publicly. Publicly sharing a Google Drive link makes it convenient to distribute content widely. This is particularly useful for sharing information, documents, or media with a large audience, such as in public announcements or events. So first of all, open up the web browser on your PC. Once you open up the web browser, click on Search Bar, then search for Google Drive in here. When you get into your Google Drive page, simply click on Go to Drive from here. It will take you to your Google Drive accounts. To share the Drive link, you need to share the link of your upload file. Now go into My Drive from the dashboard, then click on three dots on any file. It will show you the drop-down menu, so from the menu, click on Share. After that, go into Share option. Now you need to set the general access to anyone with a link. Once you set the privacy to public, click on Copy Link. After copying the link, open up the new tab. Then paste the link in this tab. Your file will be open in this tab. Now you need to download the file by simply clicking on the download icon. After downloading the file, click to open it up. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.